Okay, happy Monday. If I look relaxed, it's because today is actually pajama day, the day I'm recording this. So these are my jammies I wear at home when I'm doing comfy time. Okay, so we're starting a new week. We're doing rhyme recognition. That's where I say 3 words and you tell me the 2 that rhyme. One of them doesn't rhyme. Okay, let's try. Black, clack, glad. And you would say black, clack. Slow plate glow. Slow glow. Glue, sly, clue. Glue, clue. Sling, flight, slight. Flight, slight. Climb, slime, flip. Climb, slime. Okay, good job. Onset fluency, I'm going to say 2 words, and then I'll go like this, and that means your turn to tell me what sound they start with. Okay, the beginning sound is going to be a blend. It's blending 2 sounds together, like sul or burr or cur or sk. Okay, so you can't just say, if I said snake, you would say sn, because those are the first 2 sounds that are blended together. Okay, let's try it. Sleep, slippery. Sul. Client, climber. Cool. Blister, blanket. Bowl. Skillet, skipper. Sk. Student, storage. St. And we're going to be doing that all week, so I think you're going to get better at that as the week goes on. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. We do have those blends at the beginning, but when we're blending them, we separate it. And when we're segmenting with our choppers, we're going to have to separate out those blend sounds, okay? So let's try it. I'll do the sounds, and when I go like that, you tell me the word, okay? Bull, oops, I already messed up. B-U-A-K, black. K-O-A-M, clam. F-O-A-G, flag. G-O-A-D, glad. P-O-A-N, plan. S-O-I-P, slip. B-O-N-D, blend. K-O-A-P, clap. F-O-A-P, flap. And I noticed all of those, the blends had an ul at the second sound. F-O, B-O, S-O. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, we're isolating the medial sounds, which is in the middle. That means we'll be doing our roller coaster. I'll say the word, you repeat it, and when I go up like this, you tell me what sound is in the middle. B-S, E, clock, ah, plum, a, flake, a, glad, a, flesh, e, sleek, e. And again, they have those blends at the beginning with the ul sound. And guess what? When we segment, they're going to have the ul in the blending in the beginning. So I'm going to say the word, go like this. You repeat the word, you chop it up. And don't forget that second sound is going to be an ul, and we need to separate it from the first sound. Okay, so for example, if we had slip, we would have to do s, o, ip, not sl, ip. Okay, let's try it. Flip, ip. Glide, id. Play, a. Sleep, eep. Block, clean, float, globe, okay, great job. Now we're going to add initial phonemes. Guess what? They're going to have a blend at the beginning. So we're going to start with lant. Add p to the beginning to make lant, plant. Okay? Now we're going to start with late. Add s to the beginning to make slate. We're going to start with less. Add b to the beginning to make bless. We're going to start with lass. Add k to the beginning to make class. We're going to start with lame. Add f to the beginning to make flame. We're going to start with leam. Add g to the beginning to make gleam. We're going to start with late. Add p to the beginning to make plate. Good. Now, tricky again, we have that ol blend. So we're taking away just the beginning sound, and that ol is going to stay with the rhyme at the end. Okay? So we have the word blonde. Take away b. What's left? We still have the ol, so it's lond. It's like bull-ond. We have to keep that ol and have the ond. Now we have clock without k. What's left? Lock. We have the word fly without f. What's left? Lie. All of these should start with the ol. We have the word glove without g. What's left? Love. We have the word slime without s. What's left? Lime. We have the word blow without b. What's left? Low. We have the word close without k. What's left? Los. We have the word claim without k. What's left? Lame. Tricky. Now we're substituting. We're going to start with low. Change ol to sul. Slow. Slow is our word. I'm practicing with you on the first couple. Now we have slow. Change sul to sh. What's the word? Show. Now we have show. Change sh to ghoul. What's the word? Glow. Now we have glow. Change ghoul to bull. Blow. Now we have blow. Change bull to full. Flow. Okay, that's it. Great job. And as we go through the week, we'll practice those and get better and better.